If OpenArt is giving you errors, freezing on the creation page, or failing the moment you try to generate, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective OpenArt error fixes step by step so you can get back to creating fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful fix. Let's jump in. First, if OpenArt is not loading properly or the page seems stuck, try a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces your browser to reload the site directly from the server instead of using an old cached version. Sometimes OpenArt errors happen because your browser is holding onto outdated files, and a hard refresh clears that problem instantly. If the issue is still there, the next thing to try is an incognito or private window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open an incognito window in Chrome. On Mac, open a private browsing window from your browser menu. Then log into OpenArt again and test the same action. If OpenArt works normally in private mode, that usually means one of your browser extensions is causing the problem. In most cases, the extension is an ad blocker, privacy tool, or script blocker interfering with the site. If you suspect an extension, go back to your regular browser window and temporarily disable any ad blockers or browser shielding tools. OpenArt can sometimes get blocked by aggressive protection settings, and that can stop the site from loading images, prompts, or generation tools correctly. If you use a VPN, turn it off for a moment and try again. OpenArt's firewall may flag certain VPN IP addresses as bot traffic, which can cause generation failures or unexpected access issues. So if you are connected through a VPN, disconnect it and refresh the page before testing again. Now let's move into the next phase, which is asset and input hygiene. This is important if OpenArt loads fine, but your generations fail right away. One common issue is source image size. If you are using Smart Shot or video generation, your source image needs to be at least 300 pixels wide. If the image is too small, OpenArt may reject it immediately without giving a clear error message. So if you are getting a fast failure, check the image dimensions first and replace tiny thumbnails with a larger file. Another fix is to simplify your prompt. If you are seeing a risk control warning or a generic error message, your prompt may be too complex, too restrictive, or using terms the system is sensitive to. Try shortening the prompt and removing any unnecessary formatting, highly detailed syntax, or controversial wording. If one model keeps failing, switch to a different model to test. For example, try Nano Banana or GPT Image if they are available in your workspace. Some models are stricter than others, and some can be a little buggy depending on the task, so testing another model can quickly show whether the issue is the prompt or the model itself. You should also verify your credits. Open your profile or account area and check your credit history or balance. Sometimes a generation fails and the credits are not refunded right away, which can make it look like OpenArt is broken when really you just have no usable balance left. If your balance is low or empty, top it up or wait for the system to update before trying again. At this point, if you have already tried the hard refresh incognito test, disabled your VPN or ad blocker, checked your image size, simplified your prompt, changed the model, and verified your credits, you should have a much clearer idea of what is causing the error. Most OpenArt issues fall into one of those categories, and one of those fixes usually solves the problem quickly. If this video helps you fix your OpenArt issue, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy software tutorials, and share this with someone else who is stuck on the same error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.